This is how you can download Windows 11 and create a bootable USB to install it. You could do a Google search for Windows 11 download or go to microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. Scroll down a little until you see Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Click the drop-down menu, select Windows 11. Select the language you want. I'm going to choose English and click Confirm. Then click the link that says 64-bit download. It should start downloading and it might take a few minutes. In the meantime, you could download an app called Rufus, which you will need to create a bootable USB. Search for Rufus or go to rufus.ie/en. Scroll down to Downloads and choose Portable Version so you don't have to install it. Once you have Rufus and the Windows 11 ISO downloaded, you can start Rufus. Be sure to have a USB stick that's 8 gigs or larger. This will format and erase anything on it, so save anything from it you want to keep. You can select the USB device from the drop-down menu. Here I have one labeled USB drive that's 16 gigs. Be sure you are selecting the right USB stick to format. If you have other attached drives or sticks, it might be a good idea to remove them so you don't format the wrong one by accident. Boot selection should be default, disk or ISO image. Click Select and then choose the Windows 11 ISO you downloaded. You can leave everything default as you see here and click the Start button. The box that pops up will let you choose some Windows options. You can leave the first 2 checked, and I would add the next 3 as well, like this. Change the name of the local user account to whatever you want. Optionally, you can disable automatic BitLocker encryption if you want. Click OK when done, then click OK again to confirm. It will take some time to create the boot disk, especially on slower USB sticks. It might take 10 minutes or more. I will fast forward the time so we don't wait. You see it says ready when it's complete, and you can close Rufus. Your bootable USB is done. You can eject it, then boot it from any PC that can boot from an external drive. Once it boots, it will start the Windows installation process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you.